gonna make Easter arts and crafts! Okay, come on, let's take this out. Okay, what should we start on? Well, we need needles, but my mom's gonna help get the needles. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, let's move this chair because I need more space. So, what should
we see what we're doing today?
Yep. What should we do first, Mom?
Whichever you want.
I think let's do this one.
You want to paint?
Yep. I love painting artists. I get be artists and I thought they're. Oh my God. Mom, can you help me?
Of course.
Okay, we color my eggs. Now we got the right colors. They're pink, blue, yellow, brown, green, white. Okay, let's open them now. Okay, my mommy opened this up. So we'll start with this pink. I can start with the polka dots. Polka dots. I think I need more pink. I need more. So Mom, the stars are yellow, right? Are you wrong or right?
Yes, yellow.
With me a little bit more colors. Okay, I think that's enough. Now start with the big ones. Start with blue now. I color the stripes. Stripey, not stripe. Oops, I need a little bit more. Okay, now let's do yellow for the stars. Ah! And there it goes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, up where you are, up the diamond world. Oh, look it!
Yep.
With the yellow and it makes green. Look.
Wow. What colors mix green?
Yellow and blue makes green. Yeah. Before that.
What do you like about Easter, Audrey?
Because I like to do Easter hunts with my friends and family.
Oh, you like the Easter egg hunts?
They're so much fun.
What's inside the eggs?
Candy!
Wow. Lots of candy.
Well, we just put one candy inside. Whoever gets the mostest wins.
Do you normally find a lot of eggs?
Yeah, sometimes.
What color are you using now?
Brown.
Wow.
For the top of this egg. I use the brown only for this egg.
What's the next color you're using?
The next color is still making green. White. The white's right here. Oh, I see the white. When Easter starts, my friends are gonna come and play Easter hunts. I'm on my Jax, Jaden, JJ, Cairo are my friends. Pink again. We need more colors. Ah! Striped pink. Look at this one. I all done with this one. Look.
Oh, can you show us?
Yep. I think blue for the bottom too. Yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
Wow, that's so cool.
I wipe this out. It looks like the blue sky.
Wow, let's see that. Wow, that's amazing. How many eggs do you have?
1, 2, 3.
3 eggs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's put these pink brushes here. Let's close these up.
Okay, perfect.
Try my best. Okay, now we're going to make Easter garland. Look at how you make it. It's like a pattern. Pink, orange, yellow, green. Orange, pink, yellow. That's what looks like a pattern. Let's do this blue one first. Let's do his face. Glue coming up. We do the back first. That's ready. Let's put this in back. This is so easy. These eyes. I think let's get this out. Let's finish this bunny. Perfect. Now I'm doing the ears, and the ears are pink. I think it looks perfect. Okay, now let's put this. Okay, now let's put glue. Okay. Now it's his paws. And the paws, always the paws. Blue flower. On top, where should we put it? Oh, we can put it here. One, two, and bow tie on top. Ta-da! Oh, look at this cute bunny. Yeah, blue paws to match. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, look at this cutest bunny. Okay, we're gonna decorate this. Look at him. Ah, he looks like he's big. Oopsie. But it's okay, we have lots of decorations. Now, this how you make a bunny. Dun, 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 dun. That looks cutie. And let's do this one now. The delivery done. Thank you, delivery helper. Okay. Now look at this yummy cutie bunny. Well, I need a pet, so this could be my pet. So with this, I'll show you the first bunny. Okay, let's count. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 bunnies. Bye everyone. Come back to my show tomorrow. And make sure to subscribe. Bye. Guys.